We have all struggled during this corona period. This has been a very special time of our lives. We have remained all alone. Some felt very depressed during that period, and they're all trying to find out some solutions. As the luck would have been, during the entire period of corona, I was going to my office. My staff also coming. And during that period, I tried one experiment. I shall share that with you, because that experience, my staff and I, we remained fit, free from corona, and kept on attending an office as usual without any change. What happens? We have got so much power in our hands which we are not aware, we are not thought about. Our rishis have been giving so much importance to different actions to be done by our hands. Out of those, I shall share some with you. What I used to do when I reached my office during corona period, first of all, I call all my staff and we all sat together and try to do these exercises. So first among those is, we put both hands like this and try to strike hand each other. What happens? These points are very special points of our hand. Once we strike with this like that, we started with 30 number and kept on increasing and went up to 100. So by just estimating these points, our energy gets channelized. After doing this, we covered next these points, what we call mounts in palmistry. So whether you believe in palmistry or not, the factual position is these points are special points in our hand. So what we used to do, we used to strike our hands like this. Starting from 30, we went up to 100. Like these points, this portion of hand, both the sides, is also a very important point. So we used to strike our hands like this. Starting from 30, we went up to 100, and that was a daily routine of our lives during those days. I do it even today. Once again, I had to face another chronic problem, but courtesy of this exercise, very soon I recovered. Next point is these points of our hand, both the hands. So we strike like this. You start hitting like this, and as you will start from 30 and go up to 100. Having done these, now we come to these points of the palm. Close your right hand, make a fist and strike like this, so that entire palm gets activated. You start from 30 and go up to 100. Similarly, make fist of the left hand and strike right palm. So that way we have covered the front part of hand. Now we come to the back side. Put it like this, fingers, this, thumb here, and this portion strike with the right hand. Again start by 30, but take it up to 100. Then make a fist of right hand so that these points get fully exposed and strike like this. You start from 30, again go up to 100. Next exercise is very simple. We all know it's clapping. By clapping, both the palms get fully activated, all the points come together. Again you start with 30 and go up to 100. Now we have covered all the points here. Some points are still left out. So what we do, cross your hands like this and try to cover these points. Same procedure, start from 30, go up to 100. Then we come to our wrist. Earlier days, people used to have some sort of bangle, kada here, male, female both. Now that system is gone. We are wearing only watches which don't have effect. So better take your hand like this and keep on moving it so that from 30 you go up to 100. Now from left, do it with the right. The last exercise is take your hand like this and make a fist like this. Some do it like this as if they are trying to pull something. Some do it like this and some do like this. Idea is only close your fist. Your fingers must press your whatever part is available of the palm and activate these. So these 10 exercises, if you keep on doing daily, we shall remain healthy